Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
curry chicken and white rice. Glad for talk, man.
Okay guys, outfit of the day is back.
First lady did it again.
So without further ado, I want to show you my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you love First Lady outfit today because she went all out for y'all. Alright? And I hope y'all love it. Because I do.
I did a little something, something.
Yeah.
Thank you, my love.
Welcome.
So, listen, the background for the outfit of the day is not complete, but if I sit there and wait until it's complete, it'll be a month, okay? And I know you guys are wanting the outfit of the day, so this is how it's starting, and little by little, you guys will see things added and more things, and it'll look how I envision it in my mind. But we are hungry and we're going to dig in. Curry chicken white rice, like the hubby said. We have a video on how we make this, so
simple dish, man.
I didn't taste it, you know.
You don't taste it yet?
I just cooked it.
Taste yours. You know, so I turn on the phone and it's like,
oh!
The one that come like Chinese fork, man.
You guys see our forks? Okay. So that you guys don't hear the scraping on the other plate.
Well seasoned.
Well seasoned, yeah man. Tastes good.
Your size well seasoned.
It's hot. I'm not even fighting you anymore because...
No, your size seasoned, man.
So was your side. I'm not fighting him anymore,
Are you getting more than me?
Because... Richie.
Wow. I'm so glad and happy I could talk. I hope you liked the video yesterday. See? No talk challenge for Richie. I didn't talk. But I'm glad now I'm back. So what's up, family?
It was torture for him, okay?
It was torture for me. No matter time I want to say something, but I couldn't. First, what are you drinking? Where's lady? Well seasoned, no? No more scraping on the fork, huh?
I was thirsty.
I know.
Yeah. It's the orange cream soda. No more scraping, guys.
At first, you scrape too much. I get annoyed.
Really? You should see your side.
That's your boy chicken.
Oh.
My side, what? I'm to my side.
Your side scrape up from all of the fork. Here's the main reason why I got it, guys. You scrape too much.
Come like me a dog. So, family. Y'all see I did it, right? Y'all say it couldn't be done, and it was done. I wanted to talk so bad, but I couldn't. Hope you enjoyed the video. First Lady did a great job of entertaining. First Lady is good at entertaining. She did a great job. But I'm back. So how y'all doing? My gosh, man, sit up and enjoy my food today. Yeah?
Curry chicken white rice.
What? What y'all said? You don't like when I be quiet? Alright.
I didn't like it either, guys.
I won't be quiet again. I like talking. I like running off my mouth, you know? And first they tell me I chat too much. First this is good though.
Thank you, my love.
So how's everybody doing, you know? We appreciate all of y'all, you know? Thank you for tuning in again. Oh! This is what I'm drinking. First lady, put your hand up there, please. Oh, you doing?
Let me see.
Courtesy of the dollar store. Coconut water.
Coconut water.
Dollar store. This one, it don't got no pieces in it. I wanted this one because I'm without ice.
Oh, no pieces?
There's no pieces, but I got the one with pieces for you.
Oh.
So they sell it with pieces and without pieces, right at the dollar store. So go check it out. Tell them Greedy Cup to send you.
I might drink one of that after this.
Then I drink that. I told him to buy.
You don't buy two?
Told him to buy 2 of them for me alone. Yeah, beer juice.
You got me messed up. I'm drinking whatever I want to drink. Fiesta.
Oh.
The food is hot, guys.
Food is hot.
Off the fire.
Grace is back.
In full
Don't
effect.
play with Grace. Remember I told you that story already. Grace don't play. First lady, season good enough?
It's hot off the fire.
Yeah, man.
I love it.
I know. Long time. I've been waiting to drink from the magic cup. ASMR. Sorry, name? Tom, you said no pieces. I look like I wrong one. Go pick up in a man.
Let me see. Where's something say?
With
said
coconut piece. I pick up the wrong one, the hell. And the wrong one, go pick up in a man. But it's all
Because
good.
with no pieces is green.
Yeah, I pick up the wrong, but it's all good, family. Cheapest water bottle is back. First lady, damn, I pick up the wrong one. Now I ain't gonna, the piece is gonna stuck in my throat. How was your weekend? Good?
Okay, guys, he couldn't ask you before because he couldn't talk.
So how you can't talk still, no? Just anxious to talk, I still can't talk. Not you, first lady. Never again. I like talking.
Yeah, I like when you talk.
I like talking. No? If I don't talk, I don't think we're having fun, you know what I'm saying? I like when we talk, you know?
We interact.
Yeah. You like when I talk?
I love it. But you're annoying good.
Y'all like when I talk? No, Richie, I like when you shut your mouth.
It's okay.
That's what they say, no?
Because even though you're annoying, I like when you talk.
Damn. I get the wrong juice. Next. Family, I took the wrong one, man. I thought I took the one without the pieces.
You know why that happened?
What?
You gonna stay the camera like that?
No, because I thought the battery was dead. What happened?
You know why it happened? Because you didn't want to give me none.
No.
I like these forks.
They're nice. But they can't hold enough food on it though.
Yes, you can.
I can use a spoon.
Oh, use a spoon to eat. These forks are nice.
Man. Really? I'm just not talking, yo. I can't do that. I would never do that again. I punish myself. I can't do it again, man.
But you got to eat your food. I mean, Richie eat his food regardless. He don't care what you're doing.
And I finished my food before you.
Now we're talking.
Wow. Y'all see how much soup I had in that bowl?
When I put the soup in there, Richie said that's too much soup.
Look at that soup they give me.
All the time. He always say, yeah, you give me so much food.
Just now you give me a little bit of food too.
Is it too much food for you, honey?
Too much food for me. I can't even talk. I like it.
I miss that you're back now.
Good.
Talking, full effect. But you still chat too much.
I do.
sometimes.
I chat too much. Family, never again. I will not talk. I can't do it. It was hard.
It was hard. It was hard for me too, honey.
Yeah, I know you, but you did good. You did real good. You're a good entertainer, I told you.
I felt the family was like, yo, why were you not talking?
They will know. She's a good entertainer. This food tastes good.
Thank you.
Well seasoned. Oh my God. Sorry. Let me wipe up my fork. And then give y'all some. Put your hand up there, first lady. Look at that chicken.
Okay. It's focused, yeah.
Yeah. Make sure I wipe up my fork, you know.
How was it? Because COVID going around.
How was it?
How did it taste, guys?
They said, hell no, I don't want none of that. This is so seasoned.
Thirsty, you know?
You want next one? Why you didn't bring two? You can drink some of my juice.
That's sweet. I'm gonna get some
It's not
water.
sweet. I saw put water there.
No, I'm saying that's sweet. Like you're sweet. I'm saying you're sweet for asking.
Oh, try it. It's sweet. Chat too much, man. Chat too much.
I'm gonna get a water. Alright, family. I went and got a coconut water. This one
Without a piece.
is not without the pieces.
I should have hide them under my bed.
Like when you did when we first met.
Yeah.
When you had the fish?
I had to food them. Oh! Ladies! So all the ladies.
Here we go.
Yeah, I know first lady had an online shoe store, right? But we had to put that for the side for a little bit. But she still got a lot of inventory. She got wedgies, stilettos, and heels. Stilettos heels? Okay.
Typical men.
Yes. So as I said, she got wedgies, stilettos, and heels. Oh,
wedges.
Oh, wait. Oh, you know what I mean. I'm not a woman. You know what I mean. So, if you want to see some of the quantity or the product, she gonna put some up on the Greedy Couple Instagram, okay? So, let me know in the comment section if you want to see some of First Lady heels and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So, we still got some.
You're a good salesman. Okay,
ladies? For all the ladies. And the gentlemen, some out here too? If you want some for your wife or your significant other. The true First Lady.
A true babe.
Yeah. So she'll put some up on the Greedy Couple. So if we get a lot of feedback, she's gonna post some up on the Greedy Couple thing. So you have to see. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. My businessman.
Let's see that.
Yeah, man. May your manager, you know.
You always be my manager. You're a good manager too.
I'm a good manager. I'm managing First Lady. The First Lady not pay me.
Here we go. You know what I'm talking about? Now he's excited because he can talk now, so he's gonna say beer chop.
Juice nice enough, but we can't drink out of my piece, man. We have a solid piece them. If you never tried those coconut water, please go try it. I'm telling y'all. It's real good.
It's good.
It is good.
It's not sweet.
It's not sweet.
It's not fresh.
It's not fresh. It's just right. I remember one time we went to the store and I saw them. I told her first, yo, they got the coconut water in here. You know what I'm saying? I said, really? Well, when she tasted it, she fell in love with it. So we went back the same day when she tasted. All of them was gone. So you know what we did? We placed the order. So we told the dollar store to order it. We ordered a whole case. How many come in the case? 24? 24 came in the case. And every time now, I go there and people see me buying it and they say, they taste good. I said, nope. I tell them no because they buy them out. So I don't want them to buy them out. So I tell them they don't taste good.
You smell good. You say no? You tell them no?
Yeah. Family, I tell them no. I trick them. Because when they see me buying them, they say, does those taste good? I said, no.
So why are you buying them then?
No, just for the fun. I tell them I'm just buying them to give to somebody else. They don't taste good because I don't want them to buy them out. Yeah. But they taste really good. So try if you go to the dollar store, you see them. I don't know if every store carry them, but check it out.
The dollar store be having some stuff in there. Okay?
Yep, you won't be disappointed.
But dollar store, honey, will trick you.
We're going to buy everything.
And you're going to buy everything. By the time you finish, you spend $50 in a dollar store. But guess what? You have 50 things.
But they got some good stuff though. I love that dollar store.
Sasha's in here?
What?
Alright, dog.
She probably in here for real. She probably be on your thing.
If she was in here, she would have been walking around.
Food nice, you know? Well seasoned.
Food is good.
You done your portion already? I could tell.
I'm full today.
Excuse me. I'm a real businessman for real, you know? Okay. So family, you gotta know that. We always appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? And for all the new subscribers, welcome to the Greedy family.
That's right. Welcome, guys.
Welcome. You know what I'm saying? Share the love.
You want some of this one? Well, you have pieces in there still.
But it's still nice though, but the pieces, I saw them.
Yeah.
I picked up the wrong one. I was trying to rush to eat, that's why.
I believe that.
Give me some of yours. Damn, it's so cold at night.
I don't get no money.
Yeah, alright, man. I gotta hide the rest of them here.
I'm just playing.
Alright, that was good.
So do you guys like these wooden spoons better? Let us know. Cause you want to make sure.
I don't like it. I'm being serious. You know why?
Well,
It's just too laid down, like food.
Flat.
Yeah, I can't manage the food.
you're doing quite fine to me.
Nice though, like, cause I'm not scraping.
Yeah.
Look at first lady side scrape up. It's too damn greedy, I'm gonna scrape it up.
Before we got these wooden spoons, if you saw Richie's side,
No.
you wanna know what kind of craziness he was doing. Like he was coloring like a little kid. Matter of fact, this is your side. That's why it's scraped up.
Wow, that tastes good.
I'm gonna show it to you guys. You guys can see it.
Family, you know, so we got
I'm trying to change the subject.
no,
The
we
fruits,
got
yeah?
the real coconut of our coconut tree. Probably one day, man, first they just sit outside and we drink it and just go live for a little bit. And you have to see. Yeah.
Don't forget to enter in the poll. It's up to you this time.
Exactly.
We can't say you didn't have enough time to vote.
Exactly.
I dropped the poll
Yep.
on
Thursday's the last day.
Sunday, and
Okay.
Thursday's the last day. So
Vote, vote, vote. Yeah.
vote this time and vote November the 3rd too.
Yep. Vote. So it's up to y'all. Okay? Whatever y'all say, we do. But yeah. I'm gonna drink the coconut oil. You done?
And it pick up the food good too.
You know some bite my lip.
Again? Oh my gosh.
When I talk too much, I bite my lip. Always bite my lip.
This is so good.
Nice with the ice.
It's 80 calories, guys. 90% is actual coconut water.
Yeah. Real coconut water, man. I make kitchen show night, man.
What's the other 10%? But it's not bad. It's really good.
Tell them, it's really good
It
for
is
you.
good. It is good.
You think if it wasn't good, I would have bought it?
But this makes me miss the one our coconut off the tree. I want to drink it.
Yeah, we're gonna drink it. We'll probably gonna go live. I'm enjoying my food. I could talk today. I'm not on pause.
Maybe we should do that challenge, the pause challenge. And pause your ass.
Not when I'm eating. Don't pause me when I'm eating. I'm like, all right. Word of wisdom is back. I couldn't give you one yesterday because I couldn't talk. But now, I'm going to give it to y'all. All right. Accept the challenges so that you can feel the acceleration of victory. Accept the challenges so that you can feel the acceleration of victory. You know it. Put it in your own words. We appreciate y'all. We share with y'all. If you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. That's Shanice. That's Richie, aka First Lady. Do you think?
I'm so glad you're talking again. I
Just too much money. You just keep them better, might. I'm just eat my youth.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye. Now you can explain.